Is your garage door making all that noise or jerky moves? That is exactly what happened to a homeowner in Springfield, Nebraska. They called Omaha Garage Door Repair, and we were on the scene the same day. We found rusty rollers and worn-out hinges causing all the trouble. After a thorough cleaning, we replaced the faulty parts and lubricated everything to perfection. The result? A smooth, quiet garage door that works like a charm. Need a garage door repair? Help is on the way. Dial 402-819-5158 right away.